Mashle season 2 is out. It's ridiculous, and it's so much fun. It's such a good anime, and people seem to be discovering it. So let's draw him in more of a fight pose. I've drawn him straightforward portrait. If you want to find that one on my channel, just type in MASH and it should come up. So throwing a fist. He's in his sort of skin tight clothing in this one, and let's go. So to get everything sort of centered, right, I'm going to start with his nose. It's kind of like this L-shaped thing, right? So okay, and his mouth like just below that there, because we're in 3/4 pose and his head is turned, so it's kind of complicated, this one. His eye, just across from the nose here, we go diagonal, and then we go across the top, like so. You can thicken this up a bit. MASH is an interesting style anime because they do these thin lines, and then when it's like close up, they'll do like thick lines on top and stuff. I guess it's quicker or something. And then the bottom eyelid line just here. Can't see his eyebrow or anything because of his fringe, so we're just going to add his iris, half circle, going down that way, and his pupil just around here. Now his other eye is smaller, it's just up near his nose here, so we go here. Where would I put it? We'll go here, diagonal, then across, and then the bottom eyelid line curving around here, and then his iris and pupil just sort of again looking up at us here. We can see his eyebrow on this side a little bit underneath his hair. We might have to erase some stuff, but it just goes this way. It's a little bit thicker at the front. Can't see the eyebrow at all on the other side. Might be an eyelid line or something here. I think we should see an eyelid line there somewhere. Okay, so the shape for his face, right? So it kind of comes down, say like his cheek is around his nose, right? So you got this curved space here, just like beside the nose. And this goes in towards the mouth and then curves out towards the chin. So it's like this shallow S shape. And then we go around the chin into there. And this top part will go underneath his hair, like up there beside his eye somewhere. Okay. Now, so he's thrown a big, massive, crazy punch, right? You can't really see his jaw. So we just have this sort of hill. It's his deltoid, his shoulder, there. And then his ear just sort of bumps in around this way. And you can see some ear lines and stuff just inside. So then he's got that magic lightning symbol coming down his face here. And then we have a scratch on his cheek, a scar, and some like blood scratches and stuff. Like so. So then hair then. So we're gonna like add these spikes that cover much of his forehead. So it comes down across his eye a bit as well. And we just keep going across here, and it like touches his eyes, just it's nearly the exact length. This one comes over the eye a little bit. And then goes back. And then we got like it curving around up here. And then the side of this hair curves around mushroom head. So can't see, you can't see the hair here, but this we got like his back muscles kind of, and then like a hair spike going that way, I think. Not very clear, but I'm gonna guess. This just goes around then, right up to the top of my page, and you could have like some texture lines here. Okay, now anatomy, right? So we've got like a fully extended arm going this way, and then we have a fist at the back. So because we got a foreshortened arm, everything looks really big. Okay, so say like his tricep is like this, like a series of mounds, right? And his forearm is like that, right? So bumps, rolling hills. And he's got those brown wristbands on coming down here, and it's got like silver clasps, so you just go around this a couple of times. So his elbow then, just here, and the underneath, the muscle underneath the elbow, the forearm, highly extended, and then forearm muscles there. So this elbow goes to tricep and into like his back muscles, right? Your tricep is like connected to all those muscles, right? So it goes in to your shoulder and everything, like all back here. And it's just suggested by those lines. So then we can see like his chest just underneath his elbow, just going off down there. And this will have like some armpit lines and stuff, just like oblique muscles, just these lines going down that way. So you have this triangular muscle on your scapula, sort of. It's a bone. You're like, you can feel it back there if you like, just either side of your spine. So it looks like a triangle. See there? Right? It's all connected down then in there. So his spine kind of is beside that, right? And you just add, but it's very muscular spine, obviously. It's like he's not bony, that's what I mean. And there's all these muscle lines beside it then. And then his trapezius on this side goes around for his shoulder on the other side of the body. And then his sort of winged triangle scapula, this here again. So you got that triangle shape, just skinnier because it's turned away from us. And then his back kind of just bumps down this way then. So real wide muscular back. His tricep then comes out underneath here. That means your bicep is the opposite side. And then that comes underneath. Your tricep and bicep are separated. And then elbow kind of square, comes around for his forearm. like that. Right, and there's like little sort of hatching lines and stuff on all these. So the forearm comes up to like a clenched fist. He's got another wristband on, like a brown weighted wristband. Constantly training. It's such a trope in anime. He's just always wearing weights. What happens when he takes them off? You'll see. So, his fist then, right? So we go up. And then, like, we got his thumb. Sort of, yeah. So we go like this way. And then down. It's kind of extended. And then index finger. Curving down there. All these little fingers underneath, all curled in underneath the palm of his hand. Like inside there. And then the side of his hand just like that. Weird hand, but that's the way it is in the show. So this, I would imagine, should curve a little bit more that way. The thumb is extended too long, I think. But that's the way it is. Throw me off. Okay. That's it. Fight pose from MASH. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.